Alright guys, so you're welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I want to show you how you can create a Payoneer account in Nigeria. So firstly, you have to go to payoneer.com. Now basically, what do you use your Payoneer for? Your Payoneer is actually used to accept payments, you understand, to get money from any part of the world, you understand, into your local currency. So you use your Payoneer account to accept payment from any part of the world. Sometimes when you are trading with the white especially, they will tell you that they want to make payments through Payoneer. So you can use Payoneer to withdraw your funds online into your local bank account. Alright, so basically all you just have to do now is to register with Payoneer. I'm going to do that now. I'll go to register. I'll click on register. So the moment I click on register, it takes me to the registration portal. Alright, so it's going to ask what kind of account do I want. Is it an individual account or a company account? So I'm going to use an individual account basically. Alright, so excuse me, it's network, I guess. Let me go back to the registration portal. I'll click on registration, register. It's very simple to create actually, so you can follow through this video. You create it on your own. It's very simple. Alright, so I have to click on register. I'll click on register. Alright, let me click on individual. So I'm going to sign up right now. Alright, I'll sign up. So I'll click on, they say select your type of business. Is it individual or company? So I'll click on individual. Alright, so the next thing I'm going to do now, I want to pause my video so that you'll be able to fill it on your own. So I'll let you know. So guys, at this junction now, what you're going to do now is to once you get to this point now, they'll ask you whether you want a personal account or a business account. So you're going to use your personal account, then bank country is Nigeria, then the currency is Naira of course, then your bank name, you should know your bank name. Mine is GT Bank, that is Guarantee Trust Bank, so I'll just fill in Guarantee Trust Bank. Then account holder name, I'll just put my account number. Then I'll put my account number there. Then I agree to the terms and conditions. I agree to this. Then you now click on submit. So it's very simple. So with that now you have been able to set up your Payoneer account, and then you start accepting payments from any part of the world, you understand, from a foreigner, from anyone, whether from Ghana, from South Africa, from any part of the world. You can accept payments, you understand. So instead of you going to the Western Union to queue and all of that, you can just make use of your Payoneer, and then you receive your payment into your local account. So very simple. Alright, so once your application has been received, you will receive a confirmation email within some business days, you understand. So I could